to price school tiers. I've been on the platform for the last 2 years and worked with a community that was making 250K a month, helping another that's making 20K a month right now. And I learned this from Alex Mosey's book around money models. So when you go to a cinema, for example, and you want to buy some popcorn, and the small is $6, the medium is $8, and the large is $9. The reason they priced it at $8 instead of like $7 is because they want you to take the larger option, right? So when you look at tiers here that we did, we wanted them to take the annual option, so we added this VIP option because then this VIP is way close to this. If we wanted more people to take the annual, this option, then we'd probably bump this up by a lot, right? So that's closer to this, and this would also have to go up. So it's basically thinking through these like it's fast food. Like imagine you're going to McDonald's and you're going to buy some food, and just think about how you would make that decision like really quickly, because it's not that logical, like swear to God, right? Just figuring out, okay, if I went to McDonald's and it was like large fries, the medium fries, I actually want medium fries, but the large fries is just like extra 20 cents. So let me get the large. You kind of want to think the same way, right? With tiers. And neat thing is like doing the monthly here and then annual here. That also generally converts better than just a subscription. It looks better too. All right. Bye.